Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to use the curbside pickup feature. And this will be for online ordering purposes. If you notice here on online orders, there's no option here for curbside. It's just pickup only. So what you want to do is go to your hrpos.heartland.us, which is the admin portal, and go to your menu at the top left here. Go to location setup and go to online ordering. And then there's an online ordering tab here in the middle. Go to that, and we're going to scroll, where is it? A little more than halfway down here. Enable curbside pickup. So we're going to place a check there, and then scroll down to the bottom and hit save. And then we're going to publish changes. And then we're going to go to our online ordering. We're going to refresh. Now we'll see there's an option for curbside. And if we hit yes, then you'll see that it gives you an option for vehicle color, vehicle make, and vehicle model. So that's how you turn on the curbside ordering. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.